Hi, Fort here, and we're here now at Tocada, Manila as we have witnessed the launching of the new Nissan Almera. This car now has a refreshed fascia, and aside from that, it now has an outstanding feature such as the NissanConnect Services. Join us as we go on a road trip on this new Nissan Almera as we highlight the details of what it can do. So, dito tayo sa loob ng new Nissan Almera. We're driving it now on our way to La Union. So, kanina, we have experienced a short traffic jam from Entertainment City going to the first exit sa Naiya X. And nakita natin na very nimble tong sasakyan. Mas madali siyang i-drive dahil nga doon sa size niya. Yung power niya that it gives out when you step on the pedal is ample, so sakto yung sakto tong pang city drive kung bumper to bumper traffic lang naman yung pag-uusapan natin. So as we go on this 2-day journey, we'll be sharing the new features of this new Nissan Almera, especially yung NissanConnect Services niya, which is like yung sasakyan mo is on AirTag, but we'll give more details as we go on this journey. So we're here now at Awesome Hotel in San Juan, La Union for the launching of the Drive Pinas campaign between Nissan Philippines and the Department of Tourism. During this trip, we have learned so much about the new Nissan Almera's latest features, and here to tell more is Pao, to share to us the NissanConnect Services benefits.
Hi, I'm Pao, Product Marketing for the NissanConnect Services. The NissanConnect Services is the latest innovation from the new Nissan Almera. So it offers different kind of features as it allows you to connect your smartphone to the car through the NissanConnect Services app. They can monitor the safety of their kids through the My Car Finder features and monitoring features, especially for the area, curfew, and speed alerts. Inside the car, we also have the SOS emergency call button that you can easily press in case of accident or medical emergency. You just need to press the button and you will be connected with the Nissan Emergency Support Center, who will be with you whenever and wherever you are. We also have the automatic collision notification in case of unfortunate event. When you have an accident and the airbag deploys, your Almera will automatically call the Nissan Emergency Support Center, and the medical assistance will arrive based on your GPS location.
So nandito tayo ngayon sa Mibuyan Vessel dito sa La Union, and we've driven here yung new Nissan Almera. And unlike the quirky design itong Mibuyan Vessel, very refined itong new Nissan Almera. So yung notable differences dito sa new Nissan Almera starts at the front grille. Makikita natin na instead of V-shape, meron na siyang chrome strips. Aside from that, makikita natin that yung fog lamps niya are now sleeker. So present dito sa new Nissan Almera ay yung outline tail lamps niya na naka-gloss black, at itong diffuser niya that has reflector and full carbon design. So since this is a mid-cycle refresh, the new Nissan Almera has retained some of the notable appointments dito sa loob ng cabin. Makikita natin na naka-flat bottom steering wheel pa rin siya. Same pa rin yung design ng cluster gauge, isang analog at isang digital. Makikita rin natin na yung dashboard has this circular vents sa magkabilaan dulo and the rectangular vents dito sa gitna. And since this is a subcompact sedan, papansin natin na it has a good mix of hard plastic and soft touch materials itong leather natin. Makikita rin natin on some items na it has carbon fiber-like design dito sa door handles, pati na rin dito sa housing ng ating cluster gauge. Up for the times na rin itong new Nissan Almera kasi aside from the infotainment system that is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay ready, makikita rin din natin na yung new Nissan Almera has a wireless charging dock dito sa baba ng center console. It also has a USB-A port dito sa harapan, nag-iisa, isang auxiliary port nakatabi ng USB-A natin, and a 12-volt socket. So it's day 3 of our stay here in La Union for the Drive Pinas campaign between Nissan Philippines and the Department of Tourism. So thank you Nissan Philippines and the Department of Tourism for this invite. To know more about the motoring industry, follow our social media channels. Again, this is Ford and see you on our next videos.